Mobil 1 ESP, Advanced Fully Synthetic Motor Oil, 5W30. And here I have Mobil Newer Vehicle Formula, Advanced Fully Synthetic Engine Oil, 5W30.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to change the engine oil in my car. I have Mobil 1 ESP 5W30 with me. Mobil 1 ESP has been expertly engineered to help prolong the life and maintain efficiency of emission system and exceeds requirements of many leading industry and car manufacturers. So that's Mobil 1 ESP and I'm quite excited to change to Mobil. The car is jacked up and opening the drain valve. That's the old engine oil. It is recommended to wait for at least 20 minutes to let the whole engine oil drain out. That is the oil filter. We will be changing the oil filter also. During every engine oil change, it is recommended to change the oil filter also. Some cars has the oil filter underneath near the drain plug. This is a Hyundai Verna 1.6 crdi engine and the oil filter is situated conveniently above the engine. So that's it. That's the dirty oil filter. There I have the new oil filter. Before changing the oil filter, we'll be cleaning the oil filter area. Dirt and grime needs to be cleaned properly before fitting the new oil filter. So that's it, the dirt is cleaned and now we'll be fitting the oil filter. The oil filter cover is of plastic, so while screwing we need to be very gentle. That's it. Now gently tighten the oil filter cap and it's done. During my previous oil change I have used Castrol Magnatec fully synthetic engine oil and I have driven the car for about 10,000 kilometers. However, for the second engine oil change I have switched to Mobil 1 ESP as it is an advanced performance synthetic motor oil designed to help provide exceptional cleaning power, wear protection and performance. As you can see, Castrol Magnatec is a value for money engine oil. There is Mobil 1 fully synthetic engine oil also, however this is very costly. For advanced fully synthetic engine oil, Castrol Edge is there and Mobil 1 ESP is there. However, I have preferred Mobil 1 ESP over Castrol Edge. The old engine oil is completely drained out and now fitting back the drain plug. The drain plug needs to be handled gently to avoid any wear to the thread of the drain plug. This is a 1.6 crdi Hyundai Verna and uses about 5 liters of engine oil. This is my second engine oil change and I am not doing it in the Hyundai service center. In my previous video also I have shown how to change the engine oil. This is a DIY engine oil change. So that's Mobil 1. Need to remove the cap and that's it, ready to be poured in the engine. There is another seal over here. We'll open the seal and that's it. This is imported product. Mobil 1 originally developed by Mobil Oil Company and now globally marketed and sold by Exxon Mobil. This product has been directly imported from Exxon Mobil.
Mobil 1 ESP reduces particle buildup inside diesel filter. It reduces poisoning of catalytic converter and also reduces deposit and sludge buildup inside the engine. It reduces the oil aging and hence extends the engine oil drain interval It increases the fuel economy of the car and also protects the engine during cold weather start. Mobil 1 ESP is one of the best advanced synthetic engine oil available currently in the market. While other engine oil manufacturers just meet the requirements, Mobil 1 ESP exceeds the requirements of many leading industry and car manufacturers. Mobil 1 ESP has been expertly engineered to help prolong the life and maintain efficiency of emission system. So that's it, the engine oil is filled almost there. Engine oil filling has been done. Mobil 1 ESP on my Hyundai Verna 1.6 crdi diesel engine. Now we'll close the engine cap and that's it, it's done.
If you have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, do check out the other videos in my channel. Until next time, see ya. Bye bye.